Welcome to Tuesday's March 24th, 2020 edition of Creative Writing, the screencast, Wardy's screencast. So we are learning about strong action verbs so we can show readers precise movements and actions of characters in our stories. So I want you to incorporate this in your little 15-minute writing activity for today. All right, strong action verbs. Instead of he hit the badminton or the birdie in badminton, smashed it. He or she smashed it. Instead of kicked the ball, he banged the ball toward the goalie. Instead of he shot the water gun, blasted somebody with it. Instead of dribbled the basketball, she pounded the ball against the pavement. These are strong action verbs that show exactly how things happen. It paints a more precise picture. So as you go through, after you write the first draft, like maybe spend 10 minutes writing today, come with your 8 to 10 sentences, about maybe 10, 12 minutes. Go back through, find the verbs, try to change them to more strong action verbs. It just paints a better picture. Instead of Jimmy did his schoolwork, Jimmy created narratives for creative writing. Jimmy struggled to complete 10 push-ups in gym class. Jimmy belted out a tune in a school musical. Better than just sang, better than he had trouble, struggled, belted. And with that said, strong action verbs, the minute 30 seconds today, you got a quick Wardy screencast. And Wardy is